Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys tired of Wi-Fi dead zones at home and workplace? We have a solution for it. In today's video we discuss complete setup of the Altice AirTies Air 4930 extender using the WPS push button. This setup process contains only 2-minute setup. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or reconfiguring it, this guide makes the process quick and hassle-free. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful. Firstly, plug the power adapter into the AirTies Air 4930. Plug the adapter into a wall socket. The extender will turn on automatically. Wait 1 to 2 minutes while it boots. LEDs will blink during startup. Blinking means the device is getting ready. Do not press any buttons while it is booting. Locate the WPS button on your router, often marked as WPS or with a repeat button symbol. Press and hold the WPS button for 3 to 5 seconds. The router's WPS LED will start blinking, indicating it's in pairing mode. You typically have 2 minutes to complete the next step before WPS times out. Find the WPS button on the AirTies Air 4930. Press and hold the WPS button for 2 to 3 seconds, then release. The extender's LED lights will start blinking faster. This shows it is trying to connect to your router. Do not press the button again. The extender and router now exchange Wi-Fi settings automatically. This process takes 2 to 5 minutes. During this time, do not unplug the extender. Do not press any buttons. Watch the LED lights. 2.4 GHz LED and 5 GHz LED turn solid green. Solid green lights mean WPS pairing is 100% successful. Unplug the AirTies Air 4930 from power. Move it to a location halfway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi. Plug it back in. Wait 1 to 2 minutes for it to reconnect. LEDs should return to solid green. Now the setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.